guys, what's up? It's your girls Twin Goddesses and I'm Alicia, and 'tis the season to spend a lot of money. So for those of you guys who are looking to purchase some gifts for yourself or for your best friend, your mom, or even your girlfriend, definitely check out this wig. I picked up this unit from LuvMeHair. This will actually be the first time that I've worked with them. So if you've purchased a wig from them, definitely let everyone know your experience with them, because I'm definitely interested to know. But anyways, guys, this is the wig that they did send me. They sent me their natural curly unit. As you guys can see, the curls on this one is kind of like a type 3C, so it's very defined. And this wig also has their Undetectable HD lace, so we're also going to check that out. But the knots on this wig is bleached. The hairline is pre-plucked, as well as this is a glueless, so it does have the additional combs and elastic bands on the inside. However, because of the HD lace, we definitely want to melt this wig down. All right, but this is how the hair comes directly out of the pack. Yeah, I know, sis, it's just not giving. So this is where the magic happens. Okay, when your wig isn't giving, don't be afraid to wash it. Okay, because I do have some people who email me like, look at this wig, and I'm like, well, did you wash it yet? And they're like, no. But this is where the magic happens. Okay, you want to definitely use your silicone mix products and your Denman brush and get that hair nice and clean. And when you do that, those curls are going to activate in ways that you probably didn't even know. Okay, but yeah, this is the amount of shedding that I did get, which is not much. I'll definitely let you guys know how that's going as far as if it sheds more. But yeah, so this is how those knots look. I will say this, now the knots are bleached, but I did go in and bleach it a little more because it just wasn't really like giving me like bleached knots. It was just kind of giving me like lightly bleached, like you know, and we like stuff that is fully bleached. So your knots are not going to look like this, but definitely use some foundation powder. Okay, guys. But in this video, if you want your curls to mimic my curls, we're going to do a wash and go. So what I like to do is get that hair nice and wet, and I like to use my Aussie Moist products. You can either use the curly or the coils, either or is super cheap. You can get it from like Target for like $2. Apply a generous amount to the hair, definitely not as much as I applied, and use your Denman brush to go in the hair. Make sure you keep that Denman brush vertically and just kind of go downward, and that's how you're going to get these super defined curls. Okay, guys, so yeah, you know, that conditioner also keeps the hair nice and soft, opposed to using like styling products where it kind of makes the hair kind of crispy. Okay, so yeah, that's what we're going for. I mean, look at those curls. I mean, they're just popping. All right. But yeah, so now that that's fully dry, we're gonna go ahead and get the lace off. I like to use my eyebrow razor. I use this because it gives a little bit of like a zigzaggy like cut, opposed to like using like scissors. You can also cut your lace while the wig is on, but y'all, I went and I actually shaved my eyebrow a little bit, so I'm not doing that no more. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get the wig on. I definitely want to say this hair or this wig is not big head friendly. You guys can see it kind of falling away from my forehead. I feel like I have like a big forehead and a little head, I don't know, but this wig was kind of like tight on me, so size up. But yeah, I went ahead and removed the makeup from my hairline, and now I'm using my Milk Me spray that I do pick up from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below for all the products that I am using in case you are interested. Spray a generous amount on top of the lace and use your blow dryer. Make sure you are using your blow dryer with either warm or hot heat so that you don't end up with flakes. If you use air or cool air, you're gonna get like flakes or white residue, so definitely use hot heat or warm heat. You can also use like a wrap and set that in place. And yeah, now I can still see that lace, so even though it's undetectable, it's kind of giving me like transparent lace because I can kind of still see like a bit of the whiteness. So because of that, I did put a little bit of baby hairs. I didn't want much, just kind of brush the hair over it just to kind of camouflage it. But yeah, Now I'm just going to go in and clean up that parting space by using a little bit of concealer as well as some powder, and this is how the hair looks. I like to use a little bit of my moisture mist. That is just to kind of hold those curls in place and add additional shine, and this is how the hair looks. Y'all, please excuse the lighting. I'm still adjusting to this whole daylight savings time. The sun goes down at 4 where I'm at, so you know I don't have enough daytime light, you know, but whatever, we're gonna work through it. Okay, again guys, these are the angles of the hair. My wig is 20 inches, so this is where it falls on me. The density is 180%, so it is very full, and the more you manipulate it and the more you wear it, the bigger it gets. Okay guys, so y'all let me know. I mean, look at the definition. What I really love about this hair is that it's not straight in the root area. It's nice and wavy, just like I like it. But y'all let me know what you guys think of this unit. Also check out their flash sale, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys.